What's up? It's me here, Jordan, bringing another hair dye video at ya. So this is when you shouldn't try at home because I'm using boxed hair dye. I don't know why, because it was $3 and I want my hair black and I'm tired of using the temporary stuff. I'm just gonna do this and be done with it, okay? I'll probably be bald by the end of this video. At least that's what online reviews say, but whatever. Still road tripping it out, still traveling, still don't know what I'm doing. We got directions. If you haven't seen my new merch, I have new current mood emo tees and hoodies. The hoodies are only available for 2 more days, so if you want one of those, pick one up, but the t-shirts will be available for longer than that. But yeah, so link in the description up here for the new merch. It's got my face tattoos on it. So I get it. You basically put this, you mix them and you shake them and then you have black hair forever. Got it. Step 1. Snip. Hey, get off. Oh, made a mess. That's not cool. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Ooh, bubble. Caution, allergic reaction product, you'll die. I wonder what's gonna happen if I don't leave it on long enough, because I'm actually, honestly, scared. I'm afraid. And then shake. Why did they tell me to cut the tip off and then pour it in? Why did I just leave the tip on? Then I could shake it without having to have my fingertips. Stupid directions. Stupid directions. Come on. Oh, it's leaking. Stupid directions. Okay, well now that I have this stuff all over my gloves, helpful hint. You wanna know a helpful hint? Put petroleum jelly or this stuff on your hairline skin so that you don't get it and burn your face off. So that's what I call helpful. I'm gonna use this mirror here because that's what I got. Don't judge me, I'm road tripping. Just like this. I tried to put blue in my hair the other day, but it turned green because I already had like a yellow tint to it, and I don't know what I do with myself ever, so. Uh-oh, I got it right in my hair. That's not good. Well, that section is not gonna be black. Why the, dang it. Maybe I should be more careful, they say. Maybe I shouldn't mess everything up, they say. Maybe I can't help it, is what I say. No, but for real though, I have a serious glob on it. What the heck? What do you do about that? It's not gonna come off. Oh, dang it. I'm gonna have a patch of non-black hair back there. Whatever. Oh, this is black. So I just pour it on, right? Scary. That good. I just did it, you guys. I just did it. Well, I gotta look at the clock. What time is it? Oh, it's 4:20. Make a wish. The picture shows somebody clipping their hair into 4 sections and doing it evenly. We don't do stuff evenly. Can't see back here. I need help. 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 Maybe one of the Walmart employees will come help. I have a problem. Hey, I bought this here. Can you help me apply it? Oh, this is chemicals. I'm not allowed to play with chemicals. I bet I missed so many spots in the back. I always miss so many spots everywhere. No, I just got it all over my shorts. What am I doing to my life? Well, I got the Aquaphor stuff all over my hair. Do not apply directly to skin. What if I do? Then what? You gonna judge me? You gonna judge me for burning skin off my scalp? Will you hate me if I go bald? Too bad. Too bad. Just pour it on there. There you go. Yeah, get it on your shoulders. It's good for you. Ew. Is it supposed to burn? It's not a burn, it's just a little discomfort. No big deal. Can I put this on my eyebrows? I was gonna Google that. I forgot. Well, what do I do? Do I leave the front part a different color or no? What a mess. Ugh, there's no recovering from this. Oh no. Sometimes I hate hair dye. Man, I got this everywhere. I did a horrible job at not making a mess. Oh, it's on my seat. Ah, I don't know anything. Dang, I didn't do a very good job at leaving colored spots, but whatever. But for real though, am I allowed to put this on my eyebrows? Or what? Maybe the last like minute or something. I'm doing it permanent. I'm doing it permanent. Okay, well I have to let this set for like a while, so I guess I'll check back with you guys later. Okay, I'm back. You ready to see how I'm about to rinse this out? You're not gonna wanna miss it. So yeah, I have this little jug I cut in half. It's gonna be where water goes, probably. That's the plan. How's it look? Important note, wipe away from your eyeballs. Don't get the stuff in your eyes. It probably isn't good. Dang, it's hot in here. I gotta have the air on a little bit. Shut up, I'm filming. I don't even know if I have enough water. No, it's supposed to go in the bucket. No, oh, shoot, my blanket. Get out of here. This is making such a mess, oh my gosh. Stupid idea. Why? Come on, rinse, the time's up, rinse. Yeah, like none of it's going in the bucket, it's just going all over the floor.
Oh well. Do I look like I'm someone who cares about that stuff? Get away from my eye. What a fucking mess. You know what? Time to bring out the big boy. Got a lot of water here. Oh, I'm nervous. No, go in the bucket. Stupid piece of dang it. It's supposed to go in the bucket. Ah! Well, I'm gonna have purple black carpet in here now. That's okay. This was a mistake. I was a mistake. I mean, this. Wow. Wow. Not even close. I should be doing this outside, but there's nowhere for me to go. Everybody will stare at me, so I'm doing it in the privacy of my own van. That was a bad idea. Whatever. Hey, get back here.
Oh, what's my plug?
Oh no, this mess. What have I done? It's horrible. I messed everything up.
All right, this is actually really hard. So I'm gonna go into the gym and just take an actual shower. I probably should have done that to begin with, but I didn't want to go in there with purple all over my face because then they probably would kick me out. So I'll check back in a little bit. Final result. You ready to see it? Here's the final result. Wait, does it look okay? I really do want to put another color in my hair. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. What color should it be? It's actually a lot better than I thought. Wow, it's hot. I'm getting sweaty already. Oh, come on. I'm actually really happy with the way this turned out. I wasn't sure because there's a box dye. I'm really happy with it. Like, my hair feels good. Feels healthy. It's not like, wow, this is so moisturized. I just conditioned it with like a moisture treatment. It doesn't feel like that, but it's like, wow, it's actually like not dead. My hair is alive and well. Who would have guessed? Not me. I thought I was gonna fry the heck out of it. I left it in for 25 minutes or so, a little more than 25 minutes. And then I started rinsing it out, as you saw, but then I had to go into the gym to completely rinse it out. So I don't know what it actually was, but it said on the directions 25 minutes, but for really light hair up to 45 minutes. And I was like, heck no, I don't know anything about this dye. I know it was less than $3 at Walmart. I am not leaving anything less than $3 at Walmart in my hair for 45 minutes. Heck no. But 25 minutes was about right, for me at least. I'm happy with it. It's not, I mean, you can see, it's not like, what am I trying to say? Like, it's black, okay? But it's not like artificial shimmery black. It actually kind of looks natural, which I'm surprised. But yeah, so I actually give this boxed hair dye a thumbs up. I'm really happy with it. I do want to bleach some of my hair and put a really cool color in. So leave a comment, let me know what you think of that. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Pick up a Current Mood emo shirt if you want one. If you're emo like me and you want people to leave you alone, the new shirts are in. Only 2 days left to get the hoodies, but the t-shirts will be on for a while. And yeah, I will talk to you guys, what day? Saturday. I'll talk to you guys Saturday. Actually, I'll probably do a live stream before then. Maybe, we'll see. I don't know, bye.